Vic, and that is on the beat.
I got a deal in my bag, got your advancing on cash. I'ma pull up in a flash, then I go ghost like my dad. About to re-up, it's a bag day. Less than a band, it's a bad day. He out of town, man, on halfway. Skirt off like nudist and drag race. Just put some bitch out the grease. Just fuck the bitch on the beach. Get so much money, it's cliche. So much ice on, I'ma freeze frame. About to re-up, it's a bag day. Less than a band, it's a bad day. 28 grams in my ass chain. Fuck up the streets like a drag race. It's less than a mil, then I laugh. I need a deal and a half. Look like I'm mixing a pancake. Nina on me when I backstage. Yeah, and I'm back with that bag, bitch. Plus I've been trapping like it's 1986. Jizzle let me smell it, it almost made me sick. When nigga look at me now, it almost made me rich. Money on my mind like a Kango. 1100 and dope hit on my ankle. A rapper, a hustler, a man all in one. Signed the hood, stop my advance was a front. And in the trapping, I've been going platinum, flipping, going diamond, selling supersonic, breaking up the climate, blowing hydroponic, break a beak, break a brick and grind it. Junkies coming for their daily double. Groupie steady trying to hook and line me. Got them zippers and I call them bitches, and I bust them open like it's King of Diamonds. Knowing since I'm coming from Kentucky, none of these labels out here wanna sign me. As a youngin', I would pray for deals, but then my phone rang and I reminded. I got a deal in my bag, got your advancing on cash. I'ma pull up